Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for all pet owners: understanding feline urinary tract infections. Ever wondered why your feline friend is suddenly avoiding the litter box or showing signs of discomfort while urinating? It's time to shed some light on a common health issue among cats: feline urinary tract infections, or UTIs for short. These can be quite distressing for your furry companions, but fear not. Understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatments can empower you to provide the best care for your cats. So stay tuned as we delve into the nitty-gritty of feline urinary tract infections. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest news and research in pet care. So, what causes a urinary tract infection in cats, you might wonder? Well, let's delve into it. One of the most common culprits is bacterial infections. These pesky microorganisms can enter the urinary tract through the urethra and multiply in the bladder, leading to a full-blown infection. This is often a result of bacteria from fecal matter making its way to the urethra, especially in female cats due to their shorter urethra. Bladder stones, also known as uroliths, are another common cause of feline UTIs. These are hard collections of minerals that form in the bladder, which can cause irritation, inflammation, and even blockages in the urinary tract, leading to an infection. Speaking of blockages, these are a particularly dangerous cause of UTIs in cats. A blockage, often caused by a buildup of crystals or stones in the urethra, can prevent a cat from urinating, leading to a buildup of bacteria in the bladder. This is a medical emergency that requires immediate veterinary attention. Now let's talk about some factors that can contribute to the development of UTIs in cats. Stress is a big one. Just like in humans, stress can weaken a cat's immune system, making them more susceptible to infections, including UTIs. Changes in a cat's environment, such as a new family member or a move, can induce stress. Diet also plays a significant role. A cat's diet can influence the pH of their urine, which can affect the formation of bladder stones and crystals. A diet that is high in magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, for example, can increase the risk of stone and crystal formation, leading to UTIs. And this brings us to the importance of regular vet checkups. Routine visits to the vet can help identify and address these issues early, preventing UTIs and ensuring your feline friend stays in tip-top shape. Now that we understand what causes UTIs, let's move on to how you can identify if your cat is suffering from one. What signs should you look for in a cat with a urinary tract infection? Well, let's delve into the telltale symptoms that might indicate your feline friend is dealing with a UTI. First off, frequent urination is a common sign. If your cat seems to be making more trips to the litter box than usual, or if they are producing unusually small amounts of urine, it could be a sign of a urinary tract problem. Blood in the urine is another symptom to watch out for. This might not always be evident, as the amount of blood can be microscopic and not visible to the naked eye. However, if you notice any redness or discoloration in your cat's urine, it's best to consult with a vet. Crying out in pain while urinating is another symptom that shouldn't be ignored. Cats are experts at hiding their discomfort, so if your cat is vocalizing their pain, it's a clear indicator that something is wrong. Lastly, if your usually well-behaved feline is suddenly avoiding the litter box and opting for other places in the house to do their business, it may be a sign of a UTI. This is because the infection can cause discomfort during urination, leading your cat to associate the litter box with pain. But, and this is important, these symptoms can also indicate other health issues, not just UTIs. Conditions such as bladder stones, kidney disease, or even diabetes can show similar signs. That's why a proper veterinary diagnosis is crucial. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to take your cat to the vet. They'll be able to run the necessary tests to determine the exact cause of your cat's discomfort. Recognizing these symptoms early can make a world of difference in your cat's health. Early detection can lead to prompt treatment, potentially saving your cat from a lot of pain and distress. But what do you do once you suspect your cat has a UTI? Well, that's what we'll discuss in our next section, so stay tuned. The right treatment can help your cat recover faster and prevent further complications. But what does that entail? When it comes to treating feline urinary tract infections, or UTIs for short, there are several approaches that veterinarians recommend. The most common treatment, and often the first line of defense, is a course of antibiotics. These work to kill the bacteria causing the infection, providing relief to your feline friend. However, it's crucial to follow your vet's advice and complete the full course of antibiotics, even if your cat appears to be feeling better. Stopping treatment prematurely can lead to a resurgence of the infection and potentially even antibiotic resistance, which can make future treatment more challenging. But antibiotics are just one piece of the puzzle. Dietary changes also play a crucial role in managing and preventing feline UTIs. Your vet may suggest a special urinary diet, which is designed to promote a healthy urinary environment and discourage the formation of urinary crystals, a common contributor to UTIs. These diets are typically low in magnesium, phosphorus, and protein, but high in moisture, helping to dilute the urine and reduce the likelihood of crystal formation. Speaking of moisture, let's not forget about the importance of hydration. Encouraging your cat to drink more water can help flush out the urinary system, reducing the concentration of any potential irritants and helping to keep those pesky UTIs at bay. There are several ways to increase your cat's water intake. One is by providing wet food, which contains a higher moisture content than dry kibble. Another is by introducing a cat water fountain, which many cats find more appealing than a regular water bowl. Of course, every cat is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It's essential to work closely with your vet to develop a treatment plan that's tailored to your cat's specific needs and circumstances. Prompt and proper treatment can help your cat bounce back from a UTI. But remember, prevention is always better than cure. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about feline urinary tract infections. Cats, like humans, can be susceptible to urinary tract infections. These can be caused by a variety of factors, such as bladder stones, stress, or an underlying medical condition. It's crucial to be aware of these causes so we can take preventive measures and reduce the risk for our feline companions. The symptoms of UTIs in cats might not always be apparent, but there are signs you can look out for. These may include frequent urination, blood in the urine, or discomfort while urinating. If your cat is showing any of these signs, it's best to consult with a vet immediately. Treatment for feline UTIs can vary depending on the cause. This could range from antibiotics to treat an infection, dietary changes to prevent the formation of bladder stones, or even surgery in severe cases. But don't fret, with timely intervention and appropriate treatment, most cats recover well from UTIs. Regular vet checkups and preventive care play an essential role in your cat's health. These visits can help catch any potential issues early on, including UTIs, and ensure your cat stays in the best possible health. In a nutshell, understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatments of feline UTIs can go a long way in safeguarding your cat's health and happiness. Remember, your feline friend relies on you for its well-being. Stay informed and give your cat the care it deserves. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new pet care content every week.